Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. If you're wondering how to use blueprints in Dark War Survival, here's a quick guide to get you started. As a beginner, you might come across blueprints early on, but don't worry, if they seem useless at first, there's a reason. Blueprints can actually be used until your watchtower reaches level 22. That's the key unlock point where blueprints finally come into play. These materials are essential for constructing new buildings or upgrading existing ones, so they'll be very important later. For now, the best thing you can do is to focus on leveling up your watchtower. Manage your resources wisely, prioritize main upgrades, and stay consistent with your progression. Once you hit watchtower level 22, the game will automatically allow blueprint usage through your inventory. From there, you'll be able to unlock more advanced structures and really level up your base strategy. So stay patient, it'll pay off soon. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.